Bonjour tout le monde, welcome to Royal Academia, your language learning platform. I am Shubhadeep Sarkar with you. Today we are going to discuss the vocabularies related to le temps, weather. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any notification. So let's start. Okay, first we are going to discuss seasons. Les saisons, that means seasons. L'été, that means summer, l'été. L'hiver, that means winter. L'automne, that means autumn. Le printemps, that means spring. Weather forecast, it is la météo, that means weather forecast. Le soleil, that is sun. Le ciel, that means sky. Cloud, it is le nuage, that means cloud. Le vent, that is wind. La pluie, that means rain. Now, how to say how is the weather? Quel temps fait-il? So, answer should start with il fait. This is an expression, il fait. Suppose it is hot. So, you have to say il fait chaud. That means it is hot. It is cold, il fait froid. That is, it is cold. Il fait frais. That means it is cool. It is good weather, il fait beau. That means it is good weather. Il fait mauvais. That means it's bad weather. It is sunny, il fait du soleil. That means it is sunny. It is foggy, il fait du brouillard. That is, it is foggy. It's raining, il pleut. That means it is raining. It is snowing, il neige. That means it is snowing. It is windy, il fait du vent. It is cloudy, il fait nuageux. That means it's cloudy. Il fait orageux. That means it is stormy. Now, in summer, in winter, in autumn, how to say? En été. That means in summer. En hiver, that means in winter. En automne, that means in autumn. Now, au printemps. Remember, with spring, you have to use au printemps. That means in spring. So, let's repeat one more time. Les saisons, seasons. L'été, summer. L'hiver, winter. L'automne, autumn. Le printemps, spring. La météo, weather forecast. Le soleil, sun. Le ciel, sky. Le nuage, cloud. Le vent, wind. La pluie, rain. Now, how to say how is the weather? Quel temps fait-il? Il fait chaud, that means it is hot. Il fait froid, it's cold. Il fait frais, it's cool. Il fait beau, it's good weather. Il fait mauvais, it's bad weather. Il fait du soleil, it's sunny. Il fait du brouillard, it's foggy. Il pleut, it's raining. Il neige, it's snowing. Il fait du vent, it's windy. Il fait nuageux, it's cloudy. Il fait orageux, it's stormy. En été, in summer. En hiver, in winter. En automne, in autumn. Au printemps, in spring. Clear? So that's all for today's video. I hope you understood. Please practice. If you like this video, please share. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.